my happy littles! You have learned so many sight words. Now, let's use the sounds to build some new words on our own. Let's go! Look who's here! It's letter A and it says eh. Can you make that sound? Eh, eh. And here comes letter T. It says t, t. Let's slide them together. A, t, a, t. Oh, they're right next to each other now. So let's say the sounds quickly. At, at, at. Yes, we made the sound at. This is a special word. Now this word will become a magnet and catch some more letters. Let's see what it does. Ah, look! At got a C. C says k. C says k. K. At. K. At. Let's say that fast. Cat. Cat. Yes, cat. Meow. Did you see the cat? Cat. Who is coming now to make a new word with at? Oh, that's letter S. And S makes the sound S. S. Oh, they're coming close. Let's say the sounds fast. S. At. Sat. Sat. She sat in the chair. Sat. Who's coming to make a new word with at now? It's letter R. And R makes the sound R. 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 At. R. At. Let's say that fast. Rat. Rat. Very good. Ah, that's a squeaky little rat. Rat. Letter R, bye. Hello, letter M. M says Hmm. At. At. Let's say it fast. Mat. 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 We sit on a mat. Mat. Ready for a challenge? Let's read the sight words and at words together. Let's go. The cat sat. The cat sat. The cat sat. Yes, good job. You know these words too. A rat is on the mat. A rat is on the mat. A rat is on the mat. Excellent. Look at this. The cat sat on the rat. The cat sat on the rat. The cat sat on the rat. Poor rat. This is so funny. The at words we learned today. K, at, cat. S, at, sat. R, at, rat. M, at, mat. Hope you had lots of fun learning to read words with the sounds. Goodbye.